Next question. How many pairs of two letters of the word inductive are there which have as many as letters between them in the given word as same in the alphabet? Okay, what is the word inductive, right? First I have to write the word, that is okay, inductive. Now I have to write the place values. So I place values 9 and n place value 14 and d place value 4 and u place value 21 and c place value 3 and t, that's 20, and I, that's 9, and v, that's 22, and e, that is 5. So now I have to verify each and every letter. That means I have to take any pair of two letters and I have to verify in between those how many letters are there. Is that satisfied exactly where it is in the alphabet? Okay. So now this is 9 and this is 14. So in alphabet between 9 and 14 there are so many letters, but here there is no letter. So that is why I am not going to take these two. And I and D, 9 and 4. In between 9 and 4 in alphabet there are again some letters are there. So again one letter here. So I am not going to take this one. So now if you observe 9 and 21, so many letters between the numbers 9 and 21. But here there are only two letters. So I am not going to take this one. And I and C, this is 3 and this is 9. Okay. So again 4, 5, 6. This must be 7th letter, but they gave 9. So that means I and C not possible. And I and T. So I and T, 9 and 20. Again so many letters, but here only 4 letters. So I am not going to take I and T. And now I and I, same letter. So that is not at all possible. And I and V, 22 and 9. So difference between these three must be more letters in between those two. So I am not going to take I and V. Now I and E, 5 and 9. In between these two, 6, 7 and 8. Only 3 letters must be there, but this many letters are there. So that's why I am not going to take this one. Okay. Now if you observe here, this is 20 and this is 22. Okay. Now in between T and V there is only U. So T, U, V. So if you write here T, U, V, there is only one letter in between T and V. So that is what they gave exactly. So T, in place of U they gave I and then V. That means forget about these letters. How many letters are there in between those two? That's it. So if you observe here there is only one letter. If you observe here there is only one letter. So these two are matched. So in the alphabet like this, there is only one letter. In the given word there is only one letter in between T and V. So here this pair is satisfied. So how many such pairs are there? Okay, so if you observe this, only one pair is there, because if you observe 14 and 4, no, and 14 and 21, more letters, 14 and 3, more letters, 14 and 20, more letters, 14 and 9, this is only 4 letters. Again I should get some more letters in between 9 and 14. Again 14 and 22 must have some 7 letters, and 14 and 5 there must be more letters. Okay, so now if you observe, if you take 4 and 21, more letters should have, but they side by side. And 4 and 3 not possible, 4 and 20 not possible, 4 and 9 not possible, 4 and 22 more letters should come, and 4 and 5 side by side, but they gave so many letters in between this. Like this, if you tally each and every letter, then this is the only pair we'll get. Okay, so how many letters in between those two? One letter. How many letters in the alphabet? One letter. So this is the correct pair, and that too will get only one pair. Next question in the alphabet test. How many such meaningful words can be formed from the letters of the word industrial that one letter is used only one time and there may be no change in their order? That means, what is this meaning? So if I write any word, again I cannot reorder that. Okay, so now First, what is my word? Industrial, right? Industrial. From this word, I should get some words. So based on the letters of this word. Okay. So now first I'll take the two letters of this word. So first two letters, that is in. Okay. This is the first one. Okay. And then next four letters I'll take. So from the next four letters, I can get D, U, S, T. Okay. And the next three letters, that is T, R, I. Okay. And next one, last five letters, T, R, I, A, L. So if here you observe, there is no repetition of word and I cannot reorder that. And there is no repetition of word and I cannot reorder that. And there is no repetition of word, I cannot reorder that. And there is no repetition of word and I cannot reorder that. And there is another word we have, and that is these two letters. So what are those two letters? U and S, and that is us. Okay, how many such words are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 words by using these letters of this word. There are 5 words by using the letters in the word industrial. Okay, so my option is 4.